In this video, you will learn how to pair your devices with the Intermatic Abra mobile app. First, let's connect two Abra smart bulbs, the A19 and BR30. When you turn on the bulbs, they should flash, indicating they are in pairing mode. If they don't flash, turn them off and on 5 times at 1-second intervals. Once the bulbs are flashing, open the Intermatic Abra app and tap the plus icon at the top right of the screen. Select Add Device. You will need to allow the app to access your home data to proceed. The app should automatically recognize any nearby devices in pairing mode. If it doesn't, tap Add Manually for further instructions. Once the app discovers the devices, tap the Add button. Next, you will see the Wi-Fi screen. If your Wi-Fi information isn't already filled out, select your Wi-Fi router and enter your Wi-Fi password. If your router fails to connect, make sure it is on a 2G connection and not 5G. Tap Next to continue. The app will take a few seconds to add the devices. After adding the devices, tap the pencil icon next to the device to rename it and assign it to a room. For this example, rename the BR30 bulb to Overhead and select Living Room as its location. Tap Finish when done. Now tap the pencil icon next to the A19 bulb. Rename it Lamp and keep Living Room selected. Tap Finish and then Done to return to the home page. To add the Smart Plug Gateway, hold the power button for 10 seconds until the blue light flashes. In the app, tap the plus icon at the top right and select Add Device. The app should automatically discover the device in pairing mode. Tap the Add button. You will be taken to the Wi-Fi screen again. Ensure the correct Wi-Fi router and password are displayed and tap Next. The app will take a few seconds to add the Smart Plug Gateway. Once added, tap the pencil icon next to the device. Rename it Plug and assign it to the living room. Tap Finish and then Done. This will take you to the device control screen, which is explained in another video linked below. For now, tap the back arrow to return to the home screen. While the Abra Smart Bulbs and Smart Plug Gateway connect to the app via Wi-Fi, the Abra Surface Switch is battery powered and communicates with the app through the gateway using Bluetooth. To pair the Surface Switch with the app, tap the Smart Plug Gateway icon on the home screen. This will take you to the control panel. Now choose the Gateway tab and tap Add Devices. Select Add New Device. While the app searches for devices, put the Surface Switch in pairing mode by holding either the top or bottom button until the green light flashes. It may take a few seconds to add. Once the Surface Switch appears, tap Next. Rename the device and add it to a room. Tap Finish and then Done. From here, you can add intelligence, which is explained in another video linked below. For now, tap the back arrow to return to the gateway control screen, and again to go back to the home screen. And if you get stuck at any point in the process, you can contact technical support through the information listed on the screen. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below or visit Intermatic.com. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or the Intermatic webpage for more tutorials.